Hi guys, so I got a couple of requests, like how to decorate like a Christmas tree, kind of like, basically it's like Happy Meal, just decorating and layering. I've never done a video like this, and I'm in the middle of Christmas decorating right now, but is the Christmas tree. So we put it up, it's 9 feet tall, but it's a slim one. The best time to buy a big expensive tree is after Christmas. I know if you want it this year, too bad, wait. Get it on major clearance after Christmas. Same with Christmas lights. All these like Christmas picks and decor. A lot of these are from like Dollar Tree. These are from like Big Lots and stuff. I am a bargain shopper. And then again, all these little picks from like Michael's. Actually bought them and then I cut them in half, so I had double the amount. And then tulle and trims on clearance as well will be your biggest friend, because that fills in any like bald Charlie Brown spots. As you can see the curtains through my fake tree, so it's not like a very full bushy tree. It kind of looks like it is, but it's not. So once you add your lights and the tulle, then you start filling in with fake branches, because I really love the look of a flocked tree. But I already have this tree. I already bought this tree, and I don't want to spray paint it, and what if I don't like flocked trees in 2 years? So a perfect way to do that is with those filler branches to make it look flocked. And I can't wait to show you guys the final product. I'll take process photos of like each layer I did on the tree and put it in a video for you guys. Okay, so I wrapped the ribbon around, and I kind of just, the ribbon's super wide. I want to say that's like 12 inches. Michael's or Joann's, Hobby Lobby. So anyway, I kind of just bunch it inward, you know, to fold it in half while I'm wrapping it around the tree. And you can tell I give a lot of space in between, because I am going to add glitter tulle around the tree as well. So when I just loosely do it, then I go through at the end and spread certain parts out to the full like 12 inches, and I use the branches to get it to stay, and then I bunch it again, and then I make it wide again. So that's what I kind of like, make this part wide, then I know I'm gonna make this part narrow, and then make this part wide, and then this part narrow, and so forth throughout the tree. Give it that kind of like an effortless look. It's not really effortless, but loose and baggy. Okay, so for the ribbon, once I'm wrapping it around and I come to the edge or the side of the tree, as much as it's gonna go, I shoot up the back, ghetto style, and come back around and do a row. I do not wrap all the way around, because where I have my tree, nobody sees the back of it. This is a slider that's facing the side of the house that nobody ever sees. So I didn't want to have to buy another thing of ribbon. So it's cheaper to put your tree against a wall technically versus a front window. But if you have a front window, you definitely need to buy more. I used 2 rolls of this 12 inch trim. Anyway, I shoot up the back and then start shooting again through the side and so forth. Again, you can see I did it again right here. And you can't see that once all the ornaments and stuff are in. Let me do a pan out. And for some reason, the tree looks super green with the lights on in the camera, which is really weird. I gotta get the ladder and put the last row, and then I'm gonna do tulle. So you'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I went through and I added tulle in between the burlap and gold snowflake ribbon. As you see, it's a like goldish tulle with gold glitter. I swear this was like $2, and I only needed 1 roll, and I had plenty in the back. That was just, you know, overflow, and I just tucked it into the tree. So I kind of just loosely like put it on, like hug like a pantyhose. I don't bunch or do anything with this one. Then I'm gonna go in. Next step is to add your fake flocked branches. You pan out. Ew, I hate the way that it's like bright neon green, even though I have white lights. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, you guys, the tree is coming together. So I basically just stuck a bunch of random, anything that kind of looked flocked from the store. This looks like a eucalyptus with like fuzz on it. But and then this little like sprig looking thing. This one, maybe this one's the eucalyptus one. But anyway, I just stuck a bunch of different random ones. And a lot of these are just, like I cut them. Like look at this. It was one big giant bush. I cut it because we are on a budget to make a glam tree. And you cut them apart like this. Came in a big like almost like a Y-shaped thing. And I just cut it off with wire cutters. And look, I just literally push it in and let it hang out a little bit past the green tree to give it that, I don't know, shimmer thing. Okay, so I was cutting out. So as you can see, I've stuck all the little sticks in there and it's definitely just filling in the tree. Same with the ribbon and the tulle. That's really starting to cover up the bald spots, and we have not added, see all the white spots through? Like it's Charlie Brown spots, but that's what the ribbon helps with if you have a very sparse tree. So now I'm going to add the stick and like these kind of like leaves to the tree. Okay guys, so it's looking even fuller. So I added all these like gold leaf things and all these little like ball, like wire bendables. Some are glitter, some are metallic. These like weird little stick things. I even have sticks. They have broken off over the years, just getting put back in storage. So I added all the balls and these little sprig things. Again, here's some more sticks. And the tree is coming together. I have not added any ornaments yet. So see how it just looks kind of like natural? The sticks are hanging out. Very almost rustic, glam. Those little glitter balls definitely add like just magical. And I was putting that where I saw green. So I'm slowly but surely covering the green. Right here, and the bald spots. See, there's still bald spots, but once you start filling in ornaments. So I just decided to add this little snippet. My kids do the bottom half of the tree as much as they can, and then I have to start getting on the ladder to get the bulbs. And they're just little worker elves. They absolutely love doing this every year, and of course I include them. I'm not a perfectionist, even though I try to be. So yeah, this is going to end right now. Okay, so now I've just added, well, me and my children, we've added all of the regular style, traditional circle bulbs. Like the good old gold ones, the plain ones. You don't want to start adding the fancy ones yet, so you just fill in with all the balls first. That's what I do. There we go. They did a pretty good job. If anything's super stacked up, sometimes my son will put like 3 on one branch. I will go through and try to fix it.
Mama, it's so cute, Mama.
It's so cute.
It's so cute, Mama.
Okay, so now we are going to add all those fancy, specialty ornaments, or like super fancy ball ones. Okay, so we added all the fancier ornaments. These are for Big Lots. Those are from Kirkland's. No, that is not my child. I just never put photos in them yet. Oh, little angels, little deers. I think these are from Dollar Tree. These ice skates are from Big Lots. I know these are from Big Lots. Big Lots. I don't know where this little angel, I think somebody gifted me her. I can't remember. All the way to the top, and then the top is just a big glitter gold star. And the best way to do this is to just keep, oops, my kids put these a little too close. The best way to look at your ornaments and stuff is to back up and look at the picture as a whole so you can see, yeah. I just go with anything silver or gold, white, wood looking, and and I think they all go, you know, well together. This I got last year in Happy Meal. It's pink with gold. Just everything flows together. Now I need to go vacuum because there's glitter everywhere. So this is gorgeous, and then when the lights are on, it's on a timer right now, so I don't want to mess with it. When it turns on, it is gorgeous, stunning. Everybody always compliments me on my tree, and I love the way it turned out. So if you want to do this next year, you wait till all of this stuff goes on clearance, because you know there's so many bulbs that are clearance down big time, because not everybody buys bulbs every year, you know. So that is my best advice. Buy these sprig things when they're on clearance. Buy the ornaments, buy the tulle, buy the Christmas ribbon when it's on sale. So when we were decorating with just the round little bulbs, you can find packs of these at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. And then your specialty bulbs, like for instance, this one's from the dollar store. This one's from the dollar store. You can find stuff at the dollar store, surprisingly, and it's cute. I think it's cute. It all goes together. So that's where you're going to fill in a lot more of these because it's cheaper. And then, you know, some of the dollar things, they only come in 2 packs or 4 packs. So you'll splurge on those. Not really splurge if you're at the dollar store. Or Big Lots, some packs were like $2 or $4, vice versa. And then I got like these frames. I got these on clearance at Kirkland's after Christmas, like for dirt cheap. You can also, I had a few of them. I don't know where they're at. A few projects you can do with your kids is put glue and then glitter these cones and then put red velvet ribbon with like bows. That's what I have for my red decor. Watch out, baby. So another option is sometimes I get sick of things and I switch it up some years. So every couple years I will throw in all my red, sparkly, glittery, shiny, metallic ornaments in with all of this. So it adds that pop of red. You can also switch it out and do green one year or red and green, like I said, to switch it up. And so I have a box of red and green ornaments as well. But because before I started doing this Glam tree, I had a lot of red and greens, like traditional colors. So yeah, I still have those and I switch them out every couple years to, you know, keep using them. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below and I will try and get back to you. Bye, guys.